Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening up a package that I received. I'm not sure if I ordered it from eBay or Mercari. I don't even know what's in here. So we're going to find out together. Let us see. Oh, I know what this is. Okay, y'all, so this is an addition to my black hydrangea collection. Dooney Bourke hydrangea collection. So, let me see if anything else is in the bag. Nothing. This is a crossbody. So, first off, it is packaged pretty well. It has bubble wrap surrounding it. That's a plus. And okay. I'm not sure of the name of this silhouette. I just know it's a crossbody. And it does have feet. It's so cute. Sounds like it's a chain or something. Oh. It's the plastic bubble stuffing. Okay, so new with tags. Alright, so this is a small zip crossbody. Okay. And I believe the person that I'm going to blame this purchase on is, if you all can guess, it's a good guess would be says what? She let everybody know how much fun it is to be on eBay and to place bids, especially low bids, just to see if they accept it or not. And so that's what happened. And I have a few more that I'm going to blame on her as well. But this is cute, y'all. The whole back, well, the front has a slip pocket only, and then on the back a zipper and a slip pocket. And you see that metal zipper? That is my favorite. I hope my hand wasn't in front of the camera the whole time. Metal zippers are my favorite. They seem like they're just more durable and they'll last longer. So let's zip it up and see how easy it zips. There we go. Okay. So I have something to add. Probably my smallest piece now with the black hydrangea is the my Bitsy bag. But I think this is a little bit bigger than the Bitsy. I would probably say it's probably has a narrower opening, but it is deeper. It could be close to the same. So this is my new black hydrangea small zip crossbody. Let me know if y'all have this in your collection, and if you are still on the hunt for black hydrangea or any type of hydrangea pieces, because the only ones online now are the Bitsy in black and blue, and the most recently added the cosmetic bag in black and blue. So hopefully more come out. It's not looking good because the summer is almost over, or getting closer to being fall. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna keep my eye out for it, but I'm glad I was able to snag this one from online on eBay, and I'm looking forward to adding even more pieces. I still don't have the coin purse, which I want. And I am still looking for the actual Tasha. I have the drawstring, but I don't have the actual Tasha drawstring. So I still kind of want that. But anyway, y'all, let me know if y'all like this cute crossbody. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing. I will see you all in the next video, and have a wonderful day.